Good day, my name is Vicky and I'm from tutortouch, and today I will be demonstrating how to split your screen. You may be wondering, why would you need to split your screen? Perhaps you're a teacher giving a lesson that you've pre-prepared in a Word document, and as you're going through your lesson you'd like to showcase different things from Google, perhaps an image or a video, but without losing your original document. So it's pretty simple, and this is how you're going to do it. So as mentioned, here's my Word document. My lesson is on planes. I would be asking my students, what is a plane? Perhaps who invented a plane? What are the different types of planes? And perhaps here my students get a bit stuck and I'd like to showcase them some different planes. So it's very simple. All you do is take your tab and drag it to the left and it pops up as a window. And there I still have my original document. Now, me being a great teacher, I've already Googled an image, so it makes me look great in front of my students and it saves a bit of time. You can split the screen into 4, however, then you lose a little bit of screen space and then your information is a little bit lost. So today we're just going to go with 2. So what I do is I select my Google image, okay, and I select it and I move it over because now it's not in the screen. And there's my image. However, I'd like to highlight a few things to my students. So all I do is click on the pencil and perhaps I'd like to show my students what an old warplane looks like compared to a modern day fighter jet. And perhaps we're not talking about space adventures today, so we just cancel out the space one and we can carry on discussing this. And so here's my original Word document and we can carry on with the lesson, and I can ask my students, how does a plane take off? So some of my students may never have witnessed it, and so I've already Googled a video to show them. So all you do is select, go over to your video, and here I have a great video of a plane taking off, which we can discuss further, we can watch a bit, we can have a few discussions, and then we can carry on with our lesson. So very simply, I still have my Word document, and at the very last point in my lesson, this may be in the way, so let's just get rid of that. I'm going to ask them how to write an essay on a plane. So our students can then imagine it and write an essay, and while they're doing this, perhaps the screen is a little bit distracting. So what we'd like to do is just minimize everything and let our students carry on with our lesson. So that was how to split your screen. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Vicky from tutortouch. Please like, follow, and share our videos.